What if I told you that the same investment strategies used by billionaires can now fit in your pocket for free? No fluff, no clickbait. This is the new era of smart investing. The world's richest people, Warren Buffett, Cathie Wood, even Elon Musk, all share one trait. They invest strategically, they diversify wisely, and they use data-driven tools to stay ahead of the curve. And now, thanks to some powerful $0 apps. In this video, we'll break down 5 game-changing apps that help you invest like a billionaire, track your portfolio like a hedge fund, access assets that were once off-limits to everyday people. And app number 4? That one just might change the way you think about investing. Let's dive in. Number 1. SoFi Invest. SoFi Invest is more than a brokerage. It's part of a larger financial powerhouse, aimed at making elite tools accessible to everyone. With no account minimum and 0 commissions on stock and ETF trades, it's built for investors at every stage. Invest in fractional shares. Own a piece of Amazon or Tesla for just $5. Automate your investing with a smart robo-advisor. Access IPOs before they hit the public market. And upcoming updates? SoFi is rolling out AI-powered planning, smart rebalancing, and deeper integration with budgeting tools. Billionaires love structure and long-term thinking, and SoFi gives you both, without the clutter. Number 2. Public, a social investing app. This platform is about serious wealth building. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. But here's where it gets interesting. Public lets you invest in fine art, sports cards, and even music royalties, just like wealthy hedge funds do. Fractional shares, commission-free trading, real-time market news, community-driven insights from experienced investors. Coming soon? Even more tokenized assets and private market investments. Public is building bridges to previously closed-off financial worlds. If billionaires hedge their wealth across real estate, art, and tech, Public gives you that same diversity from your phone. Number 3. Titan. Ever wonder how hedge funds really work? Titan gives you an inside look and lets you invest like them, with 0 stress. It's like having your own investment analyst in your pocket, selecting, managing, and explaining your portfolio. Actively managed portfolios, real-time updates from financial experts, exposure to equities, crypto, and even venture-style assets. Coming soon, Titan is adding AI-driven performance tracking, deeper volatility analysis, and predictive financial modeling. While it's free to start, Titan does charge fees if you invest over $10,000, but it's still significantly lower than any traditional wealth manager. This is Billionaire strategy, reimagined for your lifestyle. Number 4. Fidelity Spire. Now let's go classic. Fidelity Spire is built for serious investors who play the long game. Commission-free trading, goal-based investing, visual tracking of your financial milestones, seamless access to one of the most powerful legacy investment networks. Fidelity is upgrading Spire with AI-backed goal setting, smart tax strategies, and full retirement integration. If billionaires focus on legacy, not just profits, Fidelity Spire is your bridge to that mindset. Number 5. Zerion. For the crypto-native billionaire in you, Zerion is the ultimate dashboard for decentralized finance. It tracks your tokens, NFTs, yield farms, and on-chain income, all in one place. Connect your wallet, trade directly across decentralized exchanges, view gas-optimized swaps, manage assets on Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, and more. Zerion's upcoming releases will include AI-powered risk analysis and wallet-to-wallet social features, letting you track top performers, influencers, and whales. This isn't just an app, it's the gateway to investing like the next generation of billionaires. Let's recap the tools helping you invest like a billionaire for free. SoFi Invest, for long-term, diversified, automated investing. Public, for social insights and access to rare assets. Titan, for hedge fund strategy in your pocket. Fidelity Spire, for goal-focused legacy investing. Zerion, for smart, decentralized wealth building. 5 unique tools, 5 different approaches, all $0 to get started, all designed to turn you from consumer to investor. Here's the truth. Billionaires don't just have wealth, they build it with systems, tools, and discipline. And now you have access to the same strategies from your phone. Subscribe to Tech and Finance Code for daily insights on building wealth, understanding the tech behind it, and mastering your financial future. Drop a comment. Which app are you starting with today? Remember, you don't need millions to think like a billionaire. You just need the right mindset and the right tools. Stay smart, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next video.